Mercedes-Benz believes its new EQS sedan will redefine the all-electric luxury vehicle segment as it competes against Tesla and a growing number of emerging startups and legacy automakers. The 2022 Mercedes-Benz EQS unveiled Thursday marks a new era for the German automaker as it pivots to EVs. The car will be part of its large S-Class car family when it arrives in US showrooms in the fall. According to the owner, the EQS is designed to exceed the expectations of even our most discerning customers. The interior of the vehicle looks like a cockpit out of a futuristic spacecraft more than a car. It has screens across nearly the entire dashboard of the vehicle. In total, it features 3 screens under a single 56-inch curved glass surface, including a passenger screen that will not be visible for the driver. The automaker didn't release pricing for the EQS, however, industry experts expect it to easily top $100,000. The starting price on the 2021 Mercedes-Benz S-Class ranges between $94,000 and $160,000. Its Mercedes Maybach S models can top $200,000. The price range for Tesla's Model S large sedan ranges from around $79,990 to $149,990, including a new high-end performance model, Model S Plaid. The first models arriving to the US will offer up to 516 horsepower and 611 pound-foot of torque. The all-electric range of the vehicles is expected to be about 478 miles, 770 kilometers. For tech, the vehicle features a suite of safety and convenience features, including a new driver assist system that can control the speed and braking of the vehicle, as well as assist in other functions such as switching lanes or keeping the car in its lane. The system is more driver controlled than other systems from Tesla and General Motors. The EQS is part of Mercedes-Benz Ambition 2039 initiative that includes more than half the cars it sells to feature electric drive systems, including fully electric vehicles and plug-in hybrids. Mercedes-Benz is a race with other legacy automakers to launch new EVs to catch up with industry leader Tesla, which accounted for a majority of all electric sales in the US. They are also anticipating a host of new competitors such as Lucid, which plans to launch a luxury EV later this year.